Siyempre may anxiety ako. Pero feeling ko naman kung kaya nga ni Jake, so kaya ko. Totoo ka.
Because you're a busy person, often to give you the shortcut.
Mamaya, magkatipan niyo ako. I'm a different person. Good morning. It's almost 11 a.m. It's 1 hour before the liposuction surgery. It's gonna be the first time I'm gonna do liposuction. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what's gonna happen. I just had a long night last night. I haven't eaten anything. But I think let's just do it. Hindi ko alam kung tulog pa yung utak ko or it's just like my body and my mind just refuses to. Parang nagpapaka-nonchalant siya para hindi siya ma-stress dahil I'm gonna be under the knife. But yes. So we're gonna have it done at Montenola Aesthetic Clinic. We'll be heading there in a bit. My appointment is exactly 12. It's just very near. Let's go! Woo! Let's do it.
How are you feeling?
Siyempre may anxiety na konti. Although it's not the first time I underwent surgery. I've had my nose done, I've had my Botox fillers. Tinuli ako. Meron kasi siyang parang may imagine mo anong gagawin mo. Nasakta pa sisipsipin yung taba. It's just, it's that mental imagery that's like, oh my God. Pero feeling ko naman kung kaya nga ni Jake, so kaya ko. So the procedure I'm gonna have right now is called pouch liposuction. I think it's just pouch. It's not like a full liposuction. The reason I wanted to have liposuction is that I've been going to the gym and for the past 2 months I have a fitness coach. I've been hitting my results pero nakatagalan kasi. And the thing about me is that I've been taking advices from so many coaches. And there are so many things in my life that I can't compromise. For example, your eating habits. They say that if you want to do abs, 70% of it is diet. But you see, when you're a drag queen and when you're wearing corset, you only eat 1 meal a day. Ayokong i-compromise yung quality of food that I eat. I love to eat. I love eating good food. You know, it's just I need to find a way to get the body that I want that fits in the lifestyle that I have right now. Because it's very busy, I'm always on the go, and I can't afford to always be in the gym. Because if I'm always in the gym, I wouldn't have the energy to do anything else. I've lost weight for the past month. I've already lost weight. Pero naiiwan kasi siya. So, ayoko naman na in order for me to lose this naturally, I'll have to really shed so much weight. Babagsak yung mukha ko. I'm gonna lose my boobies. Nawalan ako ng puwet just so I can have abs. So parang, I think the best way for me to do it is to do a pouch liposuction. Ano natin, magiging significantly change. Magbabago-bago buhay ko. Also, another reason I'm doing liposuction is that in February, I was rushed to the emergency room. I had a really stabbing pain in the abdomen area. And it turns out that it's due to trauma. There's a muscle trauma because I was wearing corset for 6 hours. Ayoko na masugod ulit sa hospital.
Para mabilis ang kapo.
Okay. Right. So, Oh my God, this is it. What are you?
Ulit. Dito na tata. Ay, wait.
So, this is the silicone. Siya totoo. Totoong ano, natati ko. Masarap ko sa ano. Masarap ko sa halo-halo. No, if you guys want to have like breast augmentation. So, meron silang 2 kinds of breast implants. They have some even bigger.
Kinaglalaro siya.
Bigger. Ang gulo sa cleaning. Oh my God, they have something bigger. Sing laki na. Sing laki na humidifier. Tapos what if tinodo nito? Parang ano mo iba na dito na tayo? Dok, baga ako yun, Dok. Dok, baga ako yun. Dok, atay ko. So, when I first had my nose done in 2019, tulog ako nun, total still. Kasi like, general anesthesia siya. Pinagbilang lang nila ako ng 1 to 10 ng pabalik-brand. So, nagsimula ako sa 7, tapos biglang wala na. The next thing I knew, tapos na yung procedure. Nung nagising na ako, alam niyo ba kung ano yung unang kong sinabi after ko magising? Ano? Dok, nasa ng bata? Kasi yun lang yung chance na masabi ko yun. Nagising ko. Dok, nasa ng bata? Tapos tawasan na nagtawa. And then I've had my jaw fillers. I've had my fillers here. And Botox, routine Botox. Fillers here, yes. Para mawala itong lines na to. My maintenance phase is lift. You know, my body is with Manila. Shout out to my lip clinic. So my lip clinic takes care of my face. So talagang may kita niya significant difference ng shape ng face ko noong drag race. At even for drag race. Ayan, now people would have like so many judgment about people who would go through plastic surgery. Minsan may mga naririnig pa rin na parang sobrang kapal na ng gusto. Kung akin lang. Kapal-kapal na lang ako. Aba malamang. Aba, ang sakit-sakit na pinagdaanan mo tapos gusto niyo yung buso. Malamang. That's the goal. Kaya sa makapal. You know, I'm so blessed to have like people like live aesthetic and want to know aesthetic to take care of me and believe that I am worth the investment. Oh. If you guys will go for a surgery, don't go for what's mura. When I had my nose done before, it costed me like around 100,000. So it's been 3 years. So I think, ayaw ko kung babalik ako for para i-ano siya, i-retouch siya somewhere. What I suggest is just like spend on what your money will buy. Pero huwag niyo iutang. Ang akin lang is, don't take the risk of like doing it for something cheaper. Parang may nasa pressure cooker. Kung niluluto ba ng nilaga, pinapapalambot ng karne. Yun daw yung ilalagay sa akin. So what I suggest is you try to invest. Like, if you want to have something done, pag-ikutan mo, get the best one that your money can buy. Do your due diligence to do research. Like, when I had my nose done, ang tanong ko sa doktor is like, ilang years mo na ginagawa? Nakailang patients ka? Patingin ako ng before and after. Look for evidence and talagang evidence right in front of you that would say na parang they are good at what they do. Hi, Doc. Good morning.
Sorry ka naman, Salita. Kamusta ang ano? Ready na kita. You're ready na. Okay.
Yeah, sige. So, iirin na natin ito lahat. Yes, guys, so we're here with the beautiful Doc Mads.
Hello. Hello.
So, Doc Mads, can you tell us more about what are we going to do today and ano yung results today?
Okay, so later on, pwede po siguro pakita yung dot mo. So what we're gonna do today with Eva is we're gonna do liposuction on station. Ready ka naman
Sanay ako masaktan.
Anyway, ano naman, this is a very tolerable procedure because we're gonna deal with small area lang. Like what I do with submental area, yun, I can do it under local anesthesia. So kaya pumayag ka na under local anesthesia. Kasi maliit lang naman yung concern area mo. So later on, we can show them naman. Because you're a busy person, diba? You're a busy person, we opted to give you the shortcut
Yes.
to your slimming journey. So, ang counterpart kasi ito is mesotherapy, machine treatments, which is not suitable to your lifestyle because you're dami mong shows. So, this one, liposuction is one of the fastest way to address fats or yung pumayat, ganyan. Most likely, you're gonna be appreciating the result in 1 week to 2 weeks. Yun. Because this is a small area, you can go back to your daily activities na, like if you have meeting, even shows, pwede rin. Kasi you'll be wearing compression garments naman. So, wala tayong problem with your activities. Most likely, the procedure will take around an hour. At the most is 1 hour 30 minutes lang. Kasi, what I do is, we inject the anesthesia and then you wait that set in around 30 minutes para hindi tayo bloody dun sa surgery and then the actual surgery.
Tapos yung taba pag nakuha, pwede siyang
Actually, yes.
May kita ko salik yung itsura niya. Yung chicharon.
May ano ka sa bats mo. Pinaghirapan mo yan.
Oo, ilang taon na
ipunin.
sa-
Oo. There is such thing as fat grafting or fat transfer. So, parang fillers, diba? We use that for to augment faces, to augment the butt, the breast. So, yes, pwede siyang gamitin.
Yun yung BBL.
That's BBL or Brazilian butt lift, butt augmentation, breast augmentation, fat transfer sa face, like, diba, may mga lip fillers. So, ito yung, kapag nagtatanong ang patient, Doc, is there a longer counterpart ng fillers? So, this is, ito yun, fat transfer.
So pwede kong itabing taba niya.
Hindi, kailangan right away dito.
Kailangan right away.
Oo, right away gagamitin siya kasi, syempre, may buhay kasi yun. So, mamamatay siya if we just store.
So for today's, yung parts natin ito, is this pouch.
Yes, this pouch, yes. Oo.
Itong gilid, hindi na natin din siya isa.
Pwede rin naman, kung kaya mo. Sige.
Tama na natin. Mabilis lang pala 1 hour lang.
Ano ba, more na. More na yan. Kapag
More
nag-add
na.
ka ng area, longer na yung surgery time. Okay lang naman, basta kaya mo, go.
Ano na natin, nandito na tayo.
Oo,
Pasok na.
correct.
Sige.
Okay.
Alright, so, I think that's it.
Okay.
Let's get started!
Ayan!
Let's do it. Akala ko pwede ko ipanggisa yung taba. Kukunin sa Saan mo ito, Rex?
Hanggang saan? Ay, gano'n?
Kasi gusto ko mag-crop top eh. Di ba parang?
Baba ako pa ha. Hanggang saan?
Ayun.
Hindi, kasi ito-cover ko talaga yan. Pero yung incision ko, dapat hindi kita sa bikini mo.
Ah, okay.
So, nasa ng bikini mo.
Ito, tama. Kasi nota ko na to.
So, hanggang gano'n?
Lalabas na yung box na. Nangugulo ko dyan. Tapos yung... Ba yung box in bulbal? Kasi ito yung gusto ko yung mukha. See you later. Mamaya, pag nakita niyo ako, I'm a different person.
Bye! Namanak niya siya. Oo.
It's a gay.
Sarap may tulog. Matik na nga ako umakit eh.
Kaya pala parang stiff neck. Umabot ka ba ng leg?
Hindi. Hindi, pero...
Meron siyang kanya na maganda. Naramdaman kong pumasok. Tapos parang naramdaman ko. Nag-pierce through siya. Yung sa taba. Hindi ko na nakita yung taba ko.
Okay naman, stable naman. So, tingnan natin muna ng pagbayo. So, ang ano mo lang dyan, look straight ka lang. Don't look down or ano. Look straight lang.
Nakakalakad na ako. Nakakalakad na ako.
May pouch ka talaga nung nahawakan ko kanina.
So nagaling yun, Dok, sa alak ko when I was younger. When I was younger, like mga 21, ay, Diyos ko. Lagi talaga akong lasing. Isang bote ng The Bar akin lang. Parang
Malakas ka nga din.
malakas talaga ako. And I used to take pride in that. Tapos nagtrabaho pa ako sa bar. Nagtrabaho na ako sa bar since 2016. So lahat na ng drinks ko libre.
Lakad-lakad lang. Tingnan kung kaya na. Kala mo talaga.
Tinagdagan. Small steps nga lang talaga tayo.
So I think we're done for today. And nag-wear off na rin naman yung effect nung sedation. And I'm already wearing my compression garments. So I'll be wearing this in the next 2 months. So let's go. I think we're ready. Mag-bees na ako and we're ready to go home. Yay! Makakakain na ako sa wakas. Just ako today. And half bed rest tomorrow.
Hindi, actually, feeling ko tomorrow work. Wala naman yan. I mean, basta makatulog ka na ng full, like, long sleep. Okay ka na ulit yan.
So, wala nang tulog.
Rest well.
You too. Settle pa.
Salamat so much.
Dogman!
Ingat, ingat. Ingat kayo.
Bye! Thank you! This is a week after the liposuction, so we're here at Manila Aesthetic to remove the sutures and let's just have a follow-up. So now you're just going to remove the sutures. It's going to be fast, so I don't know if we need further out. Parang addict na yun. Parang gusto ko ng isa. Parang may init pa pa siya. I don't know, maybe fillers. Let's see how my face goes.
May liliit pa siya.
Oo naman.
Gusto yung Miss Jade sa
Oo, may liliit pa to kasi maga pa to. Kita ko na nga yung pet mo dito eh.
Lumabas nga.
Diba? Yung balakang kita ko.
So, pag binasage ka, mas maganda everyday mo yung gagawin. Para mas mag-flash out na mabilis yung swelling. Tapos liliit pa siya. Tapos lagi mo lang suot yung ano, masipit pa.
Hindi na, medyo maluwag na. Pero, bakit na siya sa likod mo?
Pwede mong gawin, clothes muna, yung mga heated ano lang, tapos saka mo siya ipatong. Kasi provided yung may guard ka, di ba? Ayun, susuot mo yung parate. Kasi para walang alon yung tummy. Kasi most common complication ng lipo after alon. Because of recovery. Kasi syempre pag umuupo, nagkakaroon ng skin fold. So that guard will prevent you from slouching.
Yeah. Kasi yung problema ko sa kanya, hindi ko siya makamot kasi nga.
They actually, yung kate, it's because of recovery. The sign of recovery.
Yeah.
Pag itchy.
Ito nga yung makaprotect yung part.
Oh, yan. Oo. Oh, pero maganda yung recovery mo. Hindi ka masyadong bruise like OA bruising.
Kunwari ako isang inasal. Para kung chicken inasal. We're done with liposuction 2 weeks ago. Now we're gonna add some fillers in my butt. Normally, people do this na parang isang bagsakan lang yung BBL. So, pagka-lipo sa'yo, ipapasok agad sa'yo. But the thing is, hindi ko kasi kaya. With my lifestyle, my schedule, hindi ko kaya yung downtime. What I did is that we, and Montinola and Dr. Mans, we strategically have to come up with a treatment plan wherein pwede kong i-disperse yung downtime ng katawan ko. So, now that it's been 2 weeks and within that 2 weeks, I was still able to do shows, I was still able to do work after my liposuction. Ngayon, my body is in now a better position, in a better state to take in another treatment, which is to add fillers to my butt. Ang goal natin today, hindi naman natin kailangan ng butt na like Cardi B or Nicki Minaj na butt. We just wanted to have like a nice shape. Especially that we want to look good as a boy and also as a girl. So yes, so we're gonna start with my anesthesia na. You're gonna see my butt. My butt! Malinis yan. So what are we gonna do? Ang lamig! Parang dinidilaan ng aso yung... Parang gusto lang natin i-round yung dimple. Kasi sabi nga ni Doc, may thickness naman yung puwet ko. It's not like it's totally flat. So we just need to adjust it na para...
Pagka-volume mo siya.
So magpapalit na ba ako ng underwear? Too large. Oh my gosh, imagine mo gutom na. Nakakatawa kasi parang dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Parang yung mga pagpapa-enhance ng puwets and pang liposuction. A lot of people still like frown upon the idea na parang pinapalitan mo daw yung katawan ng babies. So, if you want your dream body, just do it. Ito pala feeling ng barbecue kapag... Parang ano siya. Butt enhancement by Lola Nenas.
Kung ganda ba lahat ng mga pasayete, okay lang ako.
You will be the first people in the world to witness my body transformation. Oh my god. Now, this is a very proud moment for me, and all of you are going to be a part of it. So, handa na ba kayong makita si Evil Queen 2.0? I can hear you! Are you ready to see Evil Queen 2.0? Now, probably one of my proudest moments in history, I present to you my alter ego and the queen herself. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Eva LaQueen.
Hoping you save me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, lost. Got me looking so crazy, right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Oh, no, no.
Hello, Music Museum! Do you guys like what you see? Iba talaga pag panty-panty lang, mas presko. Woo! Body renovation is brought to you by my good family at Montinola Aesthetic, my pouch liposuction, and a butt lift.